So all of these sequential holes here are for some tree planting. Part of my job as an ecologist is deciding if an area is suitable for tree planting when it's proposed. There's a few things that we look out for when we're deciding if an area is okay to be planted on. Number one is your priority habitat. So if an area is full of really rare indicator species or is a habitat that is a rare habitat that we don't have much of in this country, you tend to not be able to plant on it because the trees can have detrimental impact on the habitat that's already there. The second reason is your breeding waders. So for example, if you have curlew, lapwing, oystercatcher nesting in the surrounding area, you can't plant the trees because that creates a predator perch, which then casts a predator shadow on those breeding waders. So that basically means your avian predators, your buzzards, for example, will sit on top of the trees and use it as a vantage point to be able to see the nests of the breeding waders. And another reason could be the potential finding of wax caps, which are a type of fungi, a priority species, and quite a rare species here in the UK. So again, if you find those, planting trees on top of them will have a detrimental impact. Now, these aren't the only things that can stop tree planting going ahead, but it's just an example of some of the things you have to look for before you can just go chucking loads of trees on places. As amazing as that would be in terms of aiding in carbon sequestration and all of that, there are some factors that means you can't just plant trees everywhere. So those are a few of the things that I have to look for on tree planting proposal areas.